party. We've attempted as much as possible to get Park Batidankwa to share some work.
No. Oh, Charlie, man, what's up? No, sir, any braba. No, any braba. Say no. He's not addressing anyone, but I don't know why you guys talk to the bench.
Assignment is by way of a written instrument, and if there was none throughout the trial, and that a person could be convicted and sentenced on, it's really a worrying trend. And what can we do except to consult our clients and fashion out the way forward, and it will certainly come out.
But the charges were brought under the Mining Act, right?
Yes, certainly it was brought under the Mining Act. But the in terms of assignment, the specific legislation of land transactions is the Land Act of 2020. Yes, Act 1036 regulates the conduct of land transactions. So if you want to really understand what assignment means as far as land transactions are concerned, then you have to go to the Land Act. And clearly the Land Act talks of assignment to be a written instrument, but we did not see it. And instead, clearly, once he has been convicted on assignment without mineral rights authorization, it's clearly mind-boggling, and I am not comfortable with the setting.
You describe this as mind-boggling.
Yeah, it's mind-boggling.
To you, it is unfair. But let's talk about the processes of the trial itself. Would you say due process was followed?
I will reserve some for now.
Would you say the judge was fair and firm and just throughout the proceeding?
I wouldn't want to, with the circumstance I find myself now, I don't want to comment on some of the matters, but I believe that as a legal team of with his tax endorsement to speak on some of the matters that has gone on throughout the trial.
And that response points directly or hints directly. Is that what I'm sensing?
Oh, certainly. Once you are aggrieved or dissatisfied by the outcome of the decision of the courts, the onus lie on you to file an appeal at the appellate courts. Now, from the High Court, you can only go to the Court of Appeal. And from the Court of Appeal, if you are still dissatisfied, the rules of courts and the laws of the Republic allows you to go up to the Supreme Court. So we'll consult with our clients and take their proceedings and go through.
So, I mean, this has generated a lot of public interest, and I'm sure that there are those who would be applauding you that indeed you have fought a good fight. Is that how you see it?
Let me get to the status.
All right, the Deputy Attorney General is trying to position himself well so that at least we can get one word from him. I'm sure that is a judgment that excites the department that at least one victory has come, but it might not just be one that the department would want to.
To me, actually, in Sawamu Kwine, 20 years, you are slapping. 20 years. Hardly Basaka Hokoya, you might ding. Na, meaning say, acquire a hosem. Not just another NPP form, but two Amoka. That comes from a police station. In the Nedian Crawford, so better from parliamentarians. No Ghana Penmubia didn't say Muhunu. Now, Bansa Sonumwa, Yakotanase, Yakoba Marche, Yakoya way, Intimisana, the Ukraine Abadani, Wontumi, Yakoko Junu. Oh, and you'll be at it, but yet your maya, Yanchini Pasu. Now, we're 20 years, and so Wontumi, what them watch I 6 months? What them watch I 6 months? I grad 15 years, or them 9 months. The way Adam watch I 6 months, Wontumi Saba. Sebeya tensions by then, Ebeko from Wontumi, Sabrino, you say Uncle them 20 years. Now make catch them no. Way 6 months, Wontumi be say Pia Bonting, and young and young one. Sagrada 15 years, you could them 9 months, no by idea. BBI possible. BBI then possible. Yes. maybe can say on beto aba no pe national chairman enti no mind say no na odamukura na beto aba no omuni pe be friends communicator friends no ho se be do ai into odamukura na mbako yin na na ba is it po no mo friend mame me pa mo cho production mo friend po ya no mame e bi o court hosu na yen hwe oyama
kwadana adia ayemi ya pa ni se edin no duru bi a yesinke din die eboa se untumi se na so motimi ni sana ashimi kakra
did pa de Benghazi
na untumi ni so ye na hotedin chese nka eboa first ye kasa nyina de bia untumi na se ya na de motimi ni na se na hoden akofom sana bia ma adwen ayeme so
de shase me catch us krama ya dompe etua na no no hu se dompe tua krama afofra no wonso mu okoje no so aka ho ebi na ye untumi no last me try fidie so untumi akesesem was too much political party like NPP regional chairman hwe untumi na ba akron so friends en abronye weru mienu on kasem ya nkyere untumi ba edru ba bi na untumi fe na wa calm down ye beto obaye ni ma untumi ye na anu wodi
no na ka se ba ku bia wo ka se so no ma kwan a em se president ntimi ma
ku
that time no and o ka se na no body kwa na ya na me de Ghana ha no ye nhye danye serious ni nti no eya no mo keka nsem hunu so ho se se amakro ya nsem hunu man so wo hwɛ mu a kro we nsem hunu man ebi na wo ka de me ka nsem hunu man se obi etimi ka se 15 years ye nua ba agada won komla na fe aba 9 months as 8 months na wa befie wo say nsem hunu no a edwe ye ken ye ka but ye timinya 6 months ya wo ken
6 months
de wo ken no obi shoot wi aponche o twi twa 12 months ni nyina obetwa o nsem hunu man so edi me no bra emu asem ayire pa na 2 weeks no we o emu zambia ayire 2 weeks hwe kwabna wo hwe kwai so untumi kwai hono no so no so free kontas bo kwan mi kuro kesi bo kwan kwabna
aire
kuro kesi bo kwan na meka
aire
kwai so wo se omudi katapira ni kai nyina be sakwan mi kase kuro no
sen komo
sem hunu man
masi akrado do kra nya na bo kwan no ka mo ko tira kire ho
bo kwan no
se boy
I say me ko am bro
na untumi na me kan school ho so be animal de ni ade literacy one of the greatest diseases we are I don't know so animal de but o for so ho na omo no hye nyina so ya benfo untumi ka say e kura e chwo ho so atwede no wasan enso be kam ye say ska nyina so benfo no ho na kodi ye obanya bi atoka asi fie bi atram enti no yo okay but do na kodi benfo untumi nka because ye jana obakasa enti ye fa no kotum akire din ye be ka kire se masa uri ekọ we acha 6 months 1 year e baba be yuri say ampaso on be appeal ni abayi no akire din
anti ade bia ye bia no ye dira ye constitution so no ani ya hwato ne bia ye bia was ni bia na ye wo kwan so a ye fa so a ye party no le president me kapa kire le constituency executive sa ye fa party mrakwaso ani ene wo mo de akasa wadawroma letter ya wo kan ya de nyina no mi nya bi o ene ma wo kekan ya yini nyina no mi nya bi obi enu ho bi abreme ni bi e wo ho enti efri adopa nyina no me fa se di si mu 6 o'clock enti me first phone na mafa me first call the whole day me first call mafa aye wo call ya me no de kasa etike oka to what you should letter e dia bad media na ye constitution no akwaya ye fa so a ye de ene ya gun de kasa no se ya fata akwan no so pa oman anya bia mehu nya bia mehu na ye oka te question committee a aye no crash so bu tumi no mutumi a omo wo no eto so no aye limited chance so ana wo de ba regina region so to Wontumi potential to me no aye limited and yengina no yenya ye to me no free aye national council and no and ye the supreme and where supreme aye but steering committee no there One and they manage your party no day to day. And no manage so I guess a supervisory. It is a most menka steering committee mechanic and a mechanic national council. It is a mokoye meeting. I was steering committee. Nessa Wontumi and Cooperative and also Wontumi and Friend me and Wontumi and Kasa. Each me no. And me elected man, elected dear and free steering committee.
Chairman Wontumi.
And now be also and the man Kasa.
Chairman Wontumi.
After my making and the Chairman
Wontumi. Pacho.
Yes.
Me peso be to say the ene na wo join the New Patriotic Party and I say Ghana amanyo semen obem. The kata meba. Mr. One Kasao party odom was say we are part of the National Steering Committee. Is that correct?
That be me part of National Steering Committee.
Also you're part of
part of the NEC.
Okay.
And the National Council Steering Committee in India. And no to say national acting national chairman, general secretary, organizers, national executives.
Okay, so
I know more. Maybe I know the manager. Your party.
Okay, so if the
it's almost a meeting. Na me come home. So one man can support me to be. Now so I'm for letter. I'm from Ray. I will either say a secretary. Nasa me a department to me.
Chairman Wontumi, inti what is say about Saturday on Komo radio so and what is say about social media and now say what about that said the EKK for our party with our region if our elections are
Unti also friend me crowd will catch them and make catch us say me crowd mu. Me no we na fine. Me nature my booty yeah fine. Me ni general secretary yeah fine. Yeah, fine. And see, the you are here, ye pa. Say, your secretary was Ashanti Media. Or no, yet the secretary of the elections now, you're calling now. Pay a constitution. And she said, if you are what? So, only the man, no, or no, the mammy. Apart from that, almost bare 3 days me and the general secretary, W0ntumi Kasa. Apart from that, Bibi not me or no Kasana Korabako. And I'm a man here, my special assistant. Say, ye Kabia. If you know, I'm not but where I come with me. Nakorana and Fale Pebia man. Minimi, Asoka, a former secretary. Now, your chairman, Bedia Koba, or none of that, Minimum, and say, Bibia, no, about, yes. Meaning Bibia, Minya, let it be a Manya Bibia. Manya Bibia.
I see. Until you don't go ahead to accept and admit to say, baby.
And yes, you go ahead and do. See, the attorney say, your party now, your no, your national council, no, and the year supreme. And see, apart from the conference, I have got the Akokoshe Mrano, and your neck, and I have battle, you know, it's a home ready, you know, and the articles are. Mekai constitution yeah mekai nyina. It's not by emotions. It's about constitutional right. It's about constitutional right. And see, what your constitution no. Who your constitution no. That's I just tell committee. Wontumi and I'm a catcher to Wontumi because there be a normal pattern, but almost some pa. I was no money in the panoa. Yedi am komodo omuni yedi nkomo na say omudi be ko national council na o makako se disiti ho eti ko ye fre national council pa ye text the buy a phone so na omu obi odo ye hu adwuma na ye be letter akan ye ho eti ye ba ne sa akwan bia so ye hu eti ye wo ye ko ye wo kwan ya ye fa so a ye de ko ye de kasa awa bra sabi enye radio so
ye kasa
members no
ye kasa
no so nyina no ama enti abra party no yes omoto aba no election committee for and the core no omokokoto aba now even the national cannot make a decision about who supposed to be the leaders of the constituency The delegates now work constituency no. Omo na was omo making omo decision. Eti pe omo esia pe so omo tia constituency term anistia. Na se omo delegates no omo ayi enkofo bi se we mu ene ye leaders wo constituency na me so obi aye petition me minim because obi enu ho aye petition wo de abreme awo Ashanti happy ebi ni ha obi a omo kasa omo ye petition nyina na omo de konka ena enkran ko so emfa petition biara emfa mreme enti minim obi bia wo ho
adansia so
the party no
adansia so
ye rame no adansia no e won kran but ye rame party no e won region and the constituency ya dia say the omude ma ankofo yi a mo so omu petition ye no ana me omu ma bibi ana omu bu sa me so ma no makem ana me kaye ana ankofo a ye petition so edit ki a wo no ye ma wo so akwanya ana wo so ekumi beyi wo mo ho anu a me twen say any problem but se ti a me no ka say petition I can miminya bida minibi me as a regional chairman
adansia so kwa akọ honom no na na mansu bi da court mansu bi da wana
me pacho minim obi amfa court yi bi amrem minibi enti minim de so esia wo mu na omu wo ho enti omu delegates na ani wo mu ti se delegates ni wo mu a chema Wontumi say
chema Wontumi ko adansia chema Wontumi
omu lessons mu
chema Wontumi
no
chema Wontumi
Proverbs chapter 18 verse 17 or say only ni pa ba ku bia kasa na asomote na mu pese ubu atentre ne a just a would be a woman in Assam and son. What's in your baby? It's the idea. Say, may almost be cramping a dip a Yibra. Ya way a mla. Ye pastor say, I was set with a procedure and through near there. Me, as a region, we are left out. I don't know. And the constituency is so. And find the problem be my. And you know, me, minima debia or say, bad nim adie ho
Chairman, we watching me a different electoral process crowd. It's so beautiful.
It's not about emotions.
No,
it's about the constitutional rights.
Padarma, Mr.
The point in effect. Omude letter not to complain by omude ma when omude father so abrebe no omude ma me eni ho ebini ho me yo bia me de embra me de yadwuma na me bu executive so na oman abia wo ho nyina ne se ye ba be ko election na ye ba be ko no you know say obia wo na dia I have to say quiet no enti obia wo ne dia ewo mu ene ade enti obi wo ho ye yi a what you know akọwe the place wo nyina ntimi break no adenti na yemfa kwa bi so na yemfa breaking it down ntimi die yet say Joseph at Joseph die ya se ni nua yenkoto ono yehuna mna bi yemfa no nkotum ba ko semfa so be de benya yenyini mfirimu yentono no akodu portafie ene ade but ni nyina no onyankoto anu manyam be dead